Django is built in the following way. Think of your website as your Django project, and the project contains Django applications. Each Django app has a specific purpose. For example, the About page is a Django app, and the Home page is also a Django app. The Django project contains generic files which are settings and configurations for the whole website and apply to every Django application. But the Django apps contain files which are specific to that app. Let's take a look. Let's activate our virtual environment and install Django with pip. To create a Django project, we can type the following command in the terminal. Now before we go through our Django project files, let's run a local server. Django allows you to run a local server to test your web app. Great, our server works. Here you can see that Django is telling us that we need to apply migrations. Migrations are changes to our data model in our database, like adding or deleting a field. Migrations also apply if you create a database for the first time, like now. We need to do that in the terminal, and there's a command line for that. First we need to stop our server with Ctrl or Command C. Then run the following code. As you can see, if we run our server again, the alert on migration is gone. Let's take a look at the files of our Django project in the text editor. The settings.py file contains all our project settings. The urls.py file tells Django which page to build when a user types a link in the browser, like youtube.com. WSGI stands for Web Server Gateway Interface, and this file helps Django serve the web app in production. Finally, manage.py is used to execute certain Django commands, like running a server or creating an app. In the next episode, we will create a Django app.